I'm at the waterfall here where I live in Idaho, and it's not windy. In fact, it's beautiful. It's supposed to be about 84 degrees Fahrenheit today, and I'm walking along the river on my break, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to come out here. Hopefully you can hear me, but I'm going to come out to the edge and give you a better view. You may not be able to hear me now though, it's the water rushing, but I'm just going to film a little bit, and so I won't be talking very much. I get nervous when I'm on camera anyway. So anyway, you can see it's really, really pretty today. There's a bunch of rocks, and the rocks are all lava. So it's really pretty. There's a lot of water coming from the mountains that's melting from the snow and the ice. So they've had to release a lot from the reservoir that is north of me. And it's about a 40-minute drive north of me is where the reservoir is. So the water's really green. There's a lot of algae in it or something. Usually not that color. But the birds are loving it. Yes, we have seagulls and mallard ducks. A lot of other ducks. And a lot of Canadian geese that like to migrate here. But it's really, really pretty. So I wanted to share it with you. You can kind of see a little bit of the town that I live in the background. The building with the tower is actually the courthouse. And the city building is just to the left of that. The flag that you see, hopefully you can see it, is in front of the courthouse. It's actually a monument to the Vietnam veterans and a war memorial to everyone who served in the war. Maybe I will, I probably won't, but I might go record it for you, but I think I've already got that area with the bird trapper when I recorded the video before. So there is a power dam just a little bit south of here, just 2 or 3 miles from where I'm standing, not very far. And so you're not allowed to swim in here or do any boating beyond a certain point, which is behind me. I don't know. You can see it, but anyway, the river curves. This is the Snake River. Some days I wish I was just a bird. I could fly. To take off from the water, land on the water whenever I wanted, fly wherever I want. If I get bored, I could just move somewhere else. It would be nice. I would like that, but I wouldn't want anybody hunting me, so I'd have to be something like a seagull that nobody wants to eat. Yeah, that would be me. Oh, and I could hang out at the beach. Yeah, I could probably be a seagull, but I wouldn't eat what they eat, so I would be a very skinny seagull. There's some that are about to go over the waterfall. We're getting really, really close. A lot of times in the winter when the river is low, there's hardly any water going over the falls, and so the birds will stand right on the edge, and I think it's just the coolest scene to look at and see the birds standing right on the edge of the waterfall and without going over it. It's really cool. They're just floating along, having a good time in the sun. Yeah, it's really, really hot. Anything over 80 and I start to melt. Oh, here. I'll videotape. There's some more Canadian geese. And a lone mallard down there. A lot of them have already paired up for the spring. Anyway, that's it.